and welcome to our beautiful campus. I'm Priyanka Kedar, professor at the D.Y. Patil Deemed University School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. Today, I'll be your guide, taking you on an exclusive tour of our dynamic learning environment, from classroom and labs to administrative offices and student facilities. I'll give you a glimpse of everything we have to offer. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the administrative office. This is the backbone of our college operations. From admission and academic records to student support service, our dedicated counseling team is always on hand to provide guidance and support, ensuring a seamless academic journey from enrollment to graduation. Advanced Training Restaurant, a vital learning space. The third-year students refine their fine dining service skills. Through a professional buffet setup, they gain invaluable hands-on experience, bridging the gap between classroom learning and real-world hospitality operations, ensuring they are industry-ready. Let's enter the culinary kitchen. The art of creativity and skill development. Your students master the art of cooking, transforming ingredients into delicious dishes. Under expert guidance, they explore a variety of international cuisine, refining their techniques and presentation skills. From timeless classics to modern gastronomy, every creation showcases their passion. This kitchen is a hub of innovation, shaping the chef of tomorrow. Welcome to our studio kitchen, an advanced learning space designed for life practical, led by celebrity industry chef. We have had the honor of hosting culinary legends such as Chef Tom Millingen from Low Cordon Bleu, Harbal Singh Sukhi, Rakhi Vaswani, and Ajay Chopra, who have enriched our students with their expertise through immersive demonstration. Equipped with cutting-edge induction ranges, premium presentation crockery, and strategical place ceiling-mounted demo mirror, this facility ensures very technique and detail in clearly visible. By learning from MasterChef in a professional environment, students gain invaluable industry insights, refine their skills, and elevate their culinary excellence. One of my personal favorite is the Food Media Lab. As a pioneer to culinary education, we take a pride in being the first college to offer diploma in food photography. Here, they master the art of photography, learning and manipulating lightings, angle, composition to create visual compiling images. They refine the camera handling techniques, understanding the framing, focus, and exposure to capture food into the most appetizing form. Additionally, students gain expertise in digital editing and storytelling, enabling them to present their culinary creation with professional finesse. We are committed to providing our students with holistic industry exposure through a strategic MOU collaboration, partnering with global hospitality leaders like Marriott's International, Swissam in Russia, and Emirates Academy. We open doors to world-class learning opportunities. These alliances offer students hands-on experience, international culinary insights, and industry best practices. Through workshops, training program, and cultural exchange, they gain a global perspective on hospitality. Beyond academies, we keep students actively engaged through sports day, cultural fairs, and industry networking events. Whether competing on the field, showcasing talent on stage, or connecting with industry leaders. Students stay motivated and involved. This well-rounded experience ensures they develop essential life skills while making lifelong memories. We have Diploma in Cabin Crew. Our main focus is to teach them our personality development, customer service, and cabin crew duties as well. A cabin crew diploma prepares students for career as a flight attendant, focusing on safety, hospitality, and aviation operations. Welcome to our bakery, where Chef Oliver Swords is taking care of the bakery classes. Let's have a look.
Today we are very busy with making different stuffs, especially we prepare everything. Now, first of all, let me tell you about this bakery. This bakery is designed in a state of art and it's equipped with branded ovens. We have got the dough sheeter as well, and we have got the deck ovens. Those are all digital ovens. It is operated by our students themselves.
Great.
Apart from this, we have a cold section. This cold section is AC, and wherein all the cold desserts are prepared, mousses are prepared, and then we have the ice cream machine, the latest equipment which has joined the D.Y. Patil bakery department, and this machine is automatic, wherein we make sorbets, sherbets, then ice creams, then kulfis, all the cold frozen desserts. These are the churning machine for the chocolate from bean to bar. And the latest equipment is digital weighing scale plus the induction pan, and plus we have the hand tabletop planetary machine. So all these machines are used by our students. They prepare all this stuff. As if now you can see they have prepared this cake in the morning today. And this is what we teach over here. This one is automated. So this glass goes up when we are doing in a bulk kitchen, bulk activity wherein we don't need an AC. So this can be modified into both. Like you can work on the hotter section as well as the colder section. We have got a walk-in refrigerator as well as the freezer. This one is the deck oven. It has got two decks and it has got a display of thermostat which regulates the heating for the top one as well as the bottom one. If you come this side, we have got the dough sheeter. So regularly we do the manual thing by hand, but however we do with this machine wherein it goes to and fro, and plus it can be adjusted with the height of what thickness you want. As I told you, the world is moving towards digitalization. The same thing, even the oven nowadays are digitalized. One press of finger and everything is said and done. And these ovens are operated by our students as well. So they are doing this practicals now. They are kneading the dough they are preparing the bread. Especially they are preparing the hard rolls as of now, and which will go into the oven in some time. And this is what all about the bakery is.
Amazing. Thank you so much for a lovely bakery.
Thank you for the visit to the Swedish department in D.Y. Patil.
My pleasure. Enter the specialty training restaurant. We have Professor Ajinkya Pandikar, who is taking care of the food and beverages. Hello, Mr. Pandikar.
Hello, nice to meet you.
So, what are we learning today?
So, welcome to our specialty training restaurant.
Thank you.
Here, the students they get hands-on practice on how your F&B standards are followed in a 5-star organization. Plus, additionally, they get hands-on practice on services like specialty training, fine dining, Girdwara service. Plus, additionally, they get to train at the barista bar station, which can be converted into a coffee bar and also a normal mocktail in a cocktail bar.
Thank you. Wow, that's excellent. This restaurant provides students with hands-on experience in real-time restaurant operation. This immersive training prepares them for the industry demands, ensuring they graduate with confidence and competitive. We're gonna move in to the specialty training kitchen, where Chef Parth Padwal is taking classes of food production. Hi Chef Parth.
Yeah, hi, Priyanka.
How are you doing?
I'm going good.
So what's cooking?
So we are making veg clear soup today. Let me tell you about the kitchen now.
Sure.
We have state-of-the-art equipments over here. We have deep fat fryer, we have walk-in freezers, we have rational ovens. Apart from that, we also have a demo table over here. So let's come to demo table now. So at this demo table, what we do, we show what we are cooking on the live cameras. Students see what the chef is cooking in the demo table and they make their practicals accordingly. Let me show you the equipments now. So we have a rational oven, which is a state-of-the-art oven, which has modern functions of the industry, which we can cook the new recipes which are there right now. Come over here. Yeah, so you can see we have a walk-in freezer over here, which is a 5-star standard. You can say our kitchens are equipped. Students get an in-hand knowledge of how the industry is working, and they are when industry ready with all these things which we give them. This kitchen is equipped with open kitchen. So what we do over here, we take the curtains down and we serve the guests. So show the customers, show the guests how the food is been made to them. This is the new concept which has been there in the industry now. Here you go, Priyanka. So that's what all about our kitchen.
Wow, this was an amazing tour, I must say.
Thank you.
Moving to Quality Training Restaurant, where Professor Imran Patan giving practical on bartending. So Imran,
Hi.
hi. So I'm really thirsty.
Yeah, and you have come to the right place. So, to give you a gist about this is QTR, Quality Training Restaurant, where the students, they turn alchemists, where they prepare some beautiful and wonderful beverages. This is a beverage practical lab. And over here, we not only teach students how to prepare some iconic mocktails or cocktails, but we also make sure that they learn and have a hands-on experience. The infrastructure is amazing, and so are the equipments. This is industry-based. We also believe taking studies out of classroom, and for that very reason, we have some interesting collaboration with some iconic brands like Sula Vineyards and Fratelli Vineyards. We also had the privilege of visiting some great places such as Paul John Brewery in Goa and Coca-Cola bottling plant. And to make sure that the students are intact with the current affairs, current trends that are going in the industry, we also do a lot of workshop. To name a few, we had the privilege of having Miss Shadbi Basu, the first Indian female bartender in the campus, to conduct a workshop for our students. So this is just the gist, this is the tip of the iceberg that we conduct over here, we do over here. So to know more, join us, we'd be happy to have you over here. Thank you.
So is my drink ready?
Yes, your drink is ready and here you go. Please enjoy. Pleasure.
Students gain hands-on experience in the bar and beverage service, mastering mixology, customer interaction, and service techniques. This practical training enhances the industry readiness, equipping them with essential skills for career in hospitality and food and beverage management. Our front office lab, the state-of-art stimulation of a real hotel operation, designed to provide students with immersive hands-on training. Students master essential skills in guest relation, reservations, check-in, check-out procedure, and effective communication. This practical experience prepares them to deliver exceptional hospitality, ensuring they are industry ready for front office and guest service roles. Our IT lab equips students with the cutting-edge digital tools and technology essentials. Student gains proficiency in hotel management software, data analyst, and point-on-sale system, enhancing operation efficiency. They also explore social media marketing, review management, and AI-driven customer service solution. These hands-on training prepares them for tech-driven roles, ensuring they stay ahead in the digital landscape. with the industry relevant skills, students graduate ready to navigate the modern hospitality sector with confidence. This floor is a home to Bakery 3 and 4, where students specialize in the art of artisanal bread making and gourmet pastry creation. Students master advanced techniques in such as sourdough fermentation, chocolate tempering, sugar artistry, and dessert plating. Equipped with professional grade tools and guided by expert faculty. Alongside hands-on training, we prioritize student safety. We prominently display information on anti-ragging and grievance redressal committee, including contact details for committee heads. This ensures a secure, inclusive and supportive environment where students can thrive in their culinary journey. Now, let's go to our fourth floor. Featuring a wall of fame, showcasing the renowned chefs who have shared their wisdom with us. This floor also features our auditorium, a dynamic space for seminars, workshops, and industry panel discussion. It serves a hub for knowledge exchange, where students engage with experts and gain valuable industry insights. This interactive session fosters continuous learning, skill enhancement, and professional growth. Our students embark on international visits to destinations like Dubai, Russia, France, Italy, London, Malaysia, Singapore, and the list goes on, gaining invaluable global exposure. This experience allows them to explore diverse hospitality practices, culinary tradition, and service standards firsthand. They interact with industry experts, visit the renowned hotels, and learn about emerging trends shaping the global hospitality landscape. Welcome to our housekeeping lab, where our students develop expertise in room preparation and also guest service excellence and hygiene standards. They learn essential skills such as bed making, laundry management, and maintaining impeccable cleanliness. This hands-on training ensures they uphold the highest hospitality standards, preparing them for successful career in the industry. And finally, welcome to our fountain area, the heart of celebrations and the campus of festivals. This lively space comes alive with events like Holi, Ganpati, Daihandi, Garba, and Freshers Day, bringing students together in joy and unity. It's a place where tradition meets enthusiasm, creating unforgettable memories. With this dynamic spirit, the fountain area truly embodies the energy of vibrancy of our campus life.